Hi everybody, it's Tom 34. This is September 7th, 2012 forecast update here, and basically what we're seeing today, at the end of the day today, we've got some very high temperature readings here. A couple places did almost reach that 90-degree mark today. Of course, September 7th, right now, it's a little bit rare to see those types of readings this late in the year, this far to the north, but we did in some portions of the state. Most places, though, generally in the middle 80s. That was the common number for today. We had a high pressure system. You got those winds actually blowing in from the south and east, but in order to get these warm, unusual warm days, you typically want those winds blowing in from the south and west, down from Florida, right? Well, we had winds coming in from the south and east, but the reason really why, not because of the wind flow here today, but the reason why it was so warm, again, we have that location of that high pressure system really does matter, and of course, that I guess you could also make an argument of the activity going on in the tropics that is maybe influencing this unusually warm weather. But now, what we are going to see here is a change in the weather pattern as the jet stream begins to shift back down to the north here, and that will allow for some unsettled weather to begin to push on in as we head on into the day tomorrow. And we are forecasting a bit of rain here, a marginal severe weather is expected, especially off to the west. I think if you're watching in New England, the timing will probably be in the very late portion of the day. So, the atmosphere is not looking maybe as good as it would if the storm system would arrive a little bit earlier on that day. But Cape values are high. Okay, we're talking about the convective available potential energy, which is a lot of, which is a common term here, obviously associated with these severe weather systems and storms, and National Weather Service always uses that term. It's a little fancy term that they use. And they watch that, okay? Basically, that's going to give you the measurement here of the shower and thunderstorm potential. So basically, it's almost like an instrument in and of itself. Kind of like the barometer. Again, it'll measure the air pressure to determine how high or low it is. Well, this is kind of that same thing. Meanwhile, we do got some nice weather on the way and refreshing air after that cold front does push on to the region, and that will be happening for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and really pretty much beyond at this point, being that we are already in September. No more scorching heat. At least I wouldn't think so. Really, over the next couple of days. Alright, so that was your brief weather rundown. This is Tom on 34, September 7th, 2012, on a late Friday night.